Today we are doing a review on this LED strip light, this little baby here. This is the 7.5 meter version, and the thing I liked about this is it will dance to the music. It will sync to the music. You can play music and it should, in theory, sync up. And we will be testing that to see if it actually does sync up. It comes with a remote, a mic, so it has a built-in mic somewhere, and a 3-button switch. So it should be quite interesting. I've never had one like this before. So what we're going to do, a quick look around the box. Made in China. Sold from Germany, Berlin in Germany, apparently. That's what that says. I'm assuming that's what it means. Nothing to look at particular, as an email address on the back or on the side, and shows you a picture of what it is. And it says Mexllex LED strip light, that's what it says. So with that, we'll do the unboxing and see what you get for your money. Right, so user manual, which I will read later. Alright, shows you stick the LED, shows you how to use it basically. Okay, I'll read that later. Mexllex greeting cards. Dear online buyer, I will also read that later. And what's this? For any production issues, here are the customer support. Okay, customer support. And some installation methods. So you can cut it to whatever size you want. So that's all the info out of the way. And what's this? I've no idea what these are. Look interesting though. Remote control. Screw it out of the bag. Oh, looks really good, that. Nice. And look, music. See? Yeah, looking forward to this. What's this? Power bank. LED controller. Oh, there are your switches. That's quite clever. Very nice. Some stickies and some joints so you can join it all together if you need to. You know, like your U-bends and stuff like that. Quite handy to have. Cable ties with stickies on them. Very good. Get 3 of them by the looks at it. Yeah, do. 3 of them. Double-sided. It's unusual to have it on a roll. It's normally already on there. Oh, double-sided is on here as well. That must be a spare one. So what I'm going to do now is do the installation, download some music and see how well she works. So that is everything you get in the box. So you get quite a bit, plus the instructions, which I'm not going to fit in here. So I'm not going to put the instructions in here, in this picture. So that's everything you get. So with that, let's have a go at setting them up.
Perfect.
Right, first things first, it was really easy to do the installation, the hardware and the software. Putting the lights up was really easy. It comes with everything you need to do bends or anything else you might need to do like that. Like I said, it comes with everything you need. Plus, it comes with extra double-sided tape. So for any reason you want to remove it and reapply it to somewhere else, you've got a whole reel where you can reapply it. Software, again, really easy to install. Just go to the App Store, download it, install it, and it found the hardware automatically. I didn't have to do nothing at all whatsoever. It just found it. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go through a couple of options just to show you the basics of how this works. So first of all, you want to turn on your RGB lighting, like so, and it comes on really easy. If you want to change the colours, you can just press this button here and it will go to different colours. These are like your main colours, so that is really easy, and you can click on this up here and change the colours slightly if you want to sort of more purpley or bluey colour. You can just move this about. I thought that was really good. And some other options here as well. So that's that. I just wanted to show you the basics. And then you've got styles. Styles, it's on 3 colour crossfade at the moment. You can go 7 colour jumping. We'll move that to jumping. That's jumping. You go static white, static purple. It's really clever. They've spent a bit of time planning it out, which I thought was good. And music mode. Now, something to bear in mind, it will not play or will not activate against music that you're watching online. So for instance, if you're on YouTube or something like that and you're listening to music, the lights will not react to the music. You have to have music that's actually on your device. So I've downloaded a few tunes. These are all copyright free, by the way, and we're just going to play this one up the top and see what happens. So, and as you can see, it's playing to the music, and you have a few options of different modes for the music. Right, something to note that I didn't realise at the beginning, the remote is totally separate from the music. So if you're playing music on your phone or tablet or whatever, and you want it to dance to it, you have to have it in obviously music mode and then just press that button for music. But if you want to use the remote control to play it, you really need to turn this off and use your speakers, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration right now. So for instance, don't use that, or you can plug that into your speakers so that the microphone can pick it up. Choose some music for your loudspeakers or whatever, your normal music, and we're going to select one that's been playing on my phone, which is this one. It's called Lint Roller. That's what it says, Lint Roller. And what we're going to do, we're going to play it so you can have a listen to it, and I'm going to show you the effects that you can get with these 4 buttons. Like I said, didn't realise this at the beginning. I thought they were, you know, some sort of synced up, but they're not. So let's play it and see what happens. Got that. So we're going to turn the top one first. As you can see, it's playing, and it also picks up my voice as well. So then we're going to do the next one, which is yeah. Perfect. Third one. And fourth. And as you can see, it works perfectly. So I just wanted to point that out to you, because even I didn't realise that at the beginning. Like, it's dancing now, it's actually just picking up my voice, but I needed to show you that. So quick example again. So it definitely gets my thumbs up. I'm really pleased with it. I think it's easy to do and install. It's got some great software that goes with it as well, which makes a very big difference. Yeah, and it works. Even my grandson likes it. So with that, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.